Want to shout out answers before the families on Family Feud? This quick guide will show you exactly how to watch Family Feud on your Samsung Smart TV so you never miss an episode. First, let's navigate to your Samsung Smart TV's home screen. Using your remote, press the home button. Then, scroll through the options until you find apps. Select apps. Now you're in the App Store. If you have a subscription to a streaming service that carries local channels, like Hulu Live TV, YouTube TV, or Fubo, search for the app and download it. Once downloaded, open your streaming app. Navigate to the Live TV section, or search directly for Family Feud. Alternatively, Family Feud airs on ABC. Search for the ABC app in the Samsung App Store. Download and open the ABC app. You may need to sign in with your TV provider credentials. Don't forget to check Samsung TV Plus, which comes pre-installed on many Samsung TVs. Sometimes, it carries channels that air older episodes of Family Feud. And that's it. With these options, you'll be watching Family Feud on your Samsung Smart TV in no time. Happy watching!